Hello everyone, and welcome to a series of videos here where I'm going to walk through the homework problems for this chapter. This is something that I like to do for each chapter, and so we'll have some opportunities while talking about these problems to learn some principles about this material. Hopefully a lot of this stuff you remember, but as we get into chapters later that have things that are new, I think it is still helpful to work a lot of examples together and to be able to show you guys some of the concepts from the questions by way of examples. Now, without any further ado, let's get into this first question here. We're trying to round this number to the thousands place. So of course the way that you would pronounce this number, it goes 31,475 because this 5 over here is in the ones place. The 7 right here is in the tens place. And working this way, the 4, this is of course in the hundreds place. And then we have there the thousands place. Of course we only need to look this far because we're trying to round to the thousands place. It would naturally go after this, the 3 is in the 10,000s place. But the way that you round is that you would just look to the place that is being referred to. So the 1 that is there in the thousands place, we're looking at the 1 and then you look at the number that comes right after it. And if that number is 5 or more, then basically what we're figuring is that this number is closer to 32,000 than it is to 31,000. But here we have the number 4 there, so we should round down. So 4 or lower basically, we would round down. 5 or more we would round up, but we're not in that situation. We have a 4 there, so we should round down, which means it would become 31,000. And then we would like to round this number for number 2 to the 100,000s place, which we just saw before goes 1, 10, hundreds place, and then it goes 1,000, 10,000, 100,000th place is here. This is the 100,000s. And so we would like to round it to that place, which means we need to look at which number is there. And then we should look at the number next to it. And the number next to it determines whether we go up or down. And so 5 or more, which is the situation that we're in because it is a 7, 5 or more, we should round up. Now when we round this one up, it's kind of an interesting situation because we have a 9 there already. And so the 9 is trying to round up to a 10, which a 10 in this spot, a 10 in the 100,000 spot is the same as a 1 in the spot next to it. So actually we increase this number by 1. We go from 7,900,000, it bumps it up to 8 million. And so when we round to the 100,000s place, it actually will become 8 million. It changes the number that's one spot above because we already had a 9 there. And so we are looking at number 3, wondering is a 5 in the hundreds place? And we're looking, where's the hundreds place over here? Maybe if you can name some of these places. This 9, of course, there goes 100,000s. Ones place, just keeping you on your toes, of course, hundreds place goes here where the 7 is. We're looking at that one. That's not a 5 there. Come on, get out of here. That's a 7. And now we're looking, what about this? Can we find the 100,000s place? 100,000s place, we've just seen it before, the 100,000s place, it comes right before million. And it is kind of funny, you know, we use these commas here every third number. Other cultures, it's very strange. I don't understand why they do it, but other cultures put these commas in different places. I believe in India, for example, they put the comma after the 4th number. It goes 4 numbers in a row, and then you will get a comma there. It's very strange to me. But anyway, there's a lot of these cool kinds of ways that different countries handle the mathematics. But we have a 6 in the hundreds place. Of course, it is true. And so, like I said, you know, this chapter, we're just heating up, but I will work through all the rest of these problems, and then we'll be getting started on chapter 2, which chapter 2 will be hopefully a lot more fun, a lot more exciting, because we're going to be dealing with everyone's favorite subject, which is fractions. We're going to destroy the fractions, we're going to dominate them, and you will never look at fractions the same way. So stay tuned, and thank you guys for watching this video. Catch you in the next one. Bye.